नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण अमाईस या चॅप्टरला त्या ठिकाणी सुरुवात करणार आहोत. अमाईस या शब्दाचा अर्थापासून आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी असं लक्षात हा शब्द जो तयार झालाय हा अमोनिया पासून त्या ठिकाणी तयार झालाय. अमोनिया इज अ नायट्रोजिनियस कंपाउंड and the structure of ammonia is like this, that nitrogen it contains 3 bond pair, that is first, second and third, and one lone pair which is to be attached for it. So this nature containing that about 78% of this nitrogen. So maximum compounds of nitrogen which is exist, and out of this maximum compound just like cyanide, nitro, then amines, oximes, like these derivatives are there. So we can study today about that the amines will be there. या स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अमोनियाकडे जर बघितलं तर हा याचा अँगल जो येतो हा 107 डिग्री येतो आणि याचं हायब्रिडायझेशन जे येतं त्या ठिकाणी हे sp3 हायब्रिडायझेशन येतं. याचा बॉन्ड अँगल येतो 107 डिग्री आणि याची जॉमेट्री जी असते त्या ठिकाणी ही एका पिरॅमिड सारखी दिसते म्हणून याला पिरॅमिडल जॉमेट्री असं त्या ठिकाणी सिंपल कॉल करतो. आता आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करायचे आहेत अमाइन्स, कारण प्रत्येक अमाइन्स हा अमोनियापासून आपल्याला प्रिपेअर करता येणं पॉसिबल त्या ठिकाणी आहे. या नायट्रोजन या अमोनियाकडे जर बघितलं तर नायट्रोजनला 3 हायड्रोजन ॲटम्सच्या ठिकाणी अटॅच आहे आणि या 3 हायड्रोजन ॲटम्सच्या बदल्यात आपल्याला जर जेवढे आपण अल्किल ग्रुप ऍड केले तर त्याच्यापासून अमाइन्सचं फॉर्मेशन त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला करता येणं पॉसिबल आहे. आणि म्हणून त्या ठिकाणी असं सिंपल डेफिनेशन आपण तयार करू शकतो. अमाइन्स आर दॅट अल्किल डेरिव्हेटिव्हज ऑफ अमोनिया इन विच one or more hydrogen atoms of this ammonia can be replaced by that same number of this alkyl group. It is simply called as an amines are to be there. आणि म्हणून अमाइन्स 3 प्रकारात आपल्याला या बेसिकली असं क्लासिफिकेशन त्या ठिकाणी करता येतं. पण आपण पहिलं क्लासिफिकेशन त्या ठिकाणी करू ज्याचा बेसिस त्या ठिकाणी आहे दॅट नंबर ऑफ अल्किल ग्रुप्स. सो सेट दिस क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ दिस अमाइन्स इट इज सिम्पली कॉल्ड दॅट इट इज लाईक दॅट. फर्स्ट टाइप इट इज कॉल्ड एज प्रायमरी अमाइन. प्रायमरी अमाइन, प्रायमरी हा वर्ड आपण आता आजकाल 1 डिग्रीने त्या ठिकाणी इंडिकेट करायला लागलोय. So it is like that 1 degree. Then see that what happens here. Or if see that this ammonia having these 3 hydrogen atoms, and out of these 3 hydrogen atoms, suppose one hydrogen atom is replaced by that the one alkyl group is there. Then see that this forming species is what? It is RNH2. So this RNH2 it is simply called as a primary amine. पण सिंपल ओळखायची पद्धत काय आहे त्या ठिकाणी. जर NH2 त्या ठिकाणी असेल तर हा डेफिनेटली त्या ठिकाणी हा फंक्शनल ग्रुप याला आपण अमिनो असं ग्रुप त्या ठिकाणी कॉल करतो आणि हा अमिनो असेल तर हा डेफिनेटली त्या ठिकाणी प्रायमरी अमाइन असतो. म्हणून अमोनियाचा एक हायड्रोजन काढून एक अल्किल ग्रुप अटॅच केला तर त्या ठिकाणी तयार होणाऱ्या अमाइन्सला आपण प्रायमरी अमाइन्स असं कॉल करतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल त्या ठिकाणी म्हणू आपण CH3NH2. CH3 ग्रुप हा मिथिल ग्रुप आहे आणि NH2 हा अमाइन आहे म्हणून याला आपण त्या ठिकाणी कॉल करू शकतो इट इज अ मिथाइल अमाइन इज दॅट. समजा इथिल ग्रुप अटॅच केला असेल त्या ठिकाणी दॅट इज CH3 CH2NH2 असेल सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज दॅट इथिल अमाइन. याला अरोमॅटिक फॉर्म मध्ये काढता येईल. समजा बेंझिन रिंग अटॅच असेल आणि या बेंझिन रिंगला जर NH2 ग्रुप हा जर अटॅच असेल तर याला त्या ठिकाणी आपण याला कॉमन सिस्टीम मध्ये ॲनिलीन त्या ठिकाणी करतो आणि हेच नेम त्या ठिकाणी IUPAC ने पण ऍक्सेप्ट केलाय. सो ॲनिलीन इज दॅट अ प्रायमरी अमाइन. Simple way that NH2 is the identification of that it's a primary type of this amines are there. Now similarly we can obtain also that this is secondary amine is there. So how this secondary amine is there? So in case of that secondary amine that ammonia having these 3 hydrogen atoms are there and suppose these 2 hydrogen atoms can be replaced by that the 2 same or different types of that alkyl group. Then said what happens here? So we can obtaining this compound is like that. This is R NH and this R. So this forming this NH, this group is called as that it's an imino type of that group. And imino group forming compounds are called as that secondary type of this amines. So that in case of this NH that containing that similar or dissimilar type of this alkyl groups are there. So simple, suppose that is CH3, this NH and that CH3. These 2 times of these methyl groups are attached. So that's why it is called as a dimethyl amine. So dimethylamine is a simple type of that secondary type of this amines. Suppose that aromatic compound is there, that benzene ring and this NH and then CH3. So here that CH3 is a methyl, that this benzene is a phenyl group is to be there, and so that this methyl phenylamine it is again the secondary type of that amines are of them. Similarly, when suppose that ammonia containing these 3 hydrogen atoms which are replaced by that again 3 types of that alkyl groups. It may be that same or different. Then say that this is called as that tertiary type of these amines are there. So it is also indicated by this 3 degree. Correct? Then it is formation is like that. This R, this N, this R and this R. That this alkyl group may be similar or that dissimilar type of that alkyl groups. Then it is called as that simple tertiary amines are there. So simply I can get the example. That is suppose CH3, this N, this CH3 and then CH3. So this nitrogen containing 3 types of that similar alkyl groups, that is methyl groups. So it is simply called as, it is a trimethyl type of that amines. Or in this case, that amines containing maybe that different groups. Suppose that CH3, this N, this CH3 and C2H5 this. Then you can go alphabetically. That is ethyl, then dimethyl and then amines are there. So this basic classification that will be depends upon that the number of alkyl groups which is to be attached into it. Again this one basic classification that is upon that types of alkyl groups which is attached. So depending upon this second, that is types of alkyl group. So it will be classified into that 2 types are there. So one is called as that it's a symmetrical type of that amines. This symmetrical amines also called as that it's a simple amines. So simple and symmetrical, that both have that same meanings. So symmetrical means what? Similarity. If that nitrogen containing similar type of that alkyl group, then say that it is called as that symmetrical amines are there. For example, I can say that suppose this CH3, this NH and then CH3. Then what happens here? These two methyl groups which are similarly attached into it. So it is called as that it is a dimethyl and then amines. So that simple way. Or maybe that suppose that ethyl group is attached. So that is C2H5, that NH and then C2H5. So it is called as that it is a diethyl type of these amines. So it is diethylamine. Or maybe suppose phenyl ring is attached here. Then say that this benzene ring, this NH and then it will be getting like that. So it is a 2 phenyl groups are there. So it is a diphenyl type of these amines are there. Now similarly on the basis of that, suppose different alkyl groups are attached, then unsymmetrical amines, it is the second one type will be there. So unsymmetrical amines, or that it is also called as that mixed type of that amines, it is to be obtained. Means in this case that nitrogen containing or that amines which containing that different alkyl groups are there. So suppose I can say that this CH3, this NH and then C2H5. So one side is blocked by that methyl group, one side is blocked by that ethyl group. So it is simply called as that ethyl methyl type of these amines. So that this is the way in which that we can carry it into it. Or suppose we can get like this. Suppose phenyl ring is there and then NH and then CH3 will be there. So it is a alphabetically methyl is to be first preferred. So that is methyl and then phenyl and remaining is to be that amine. So methyl phenylamine is a second type of that amines to be there. So simple basic, this all amines are weakly basic in character according to its formation, that is it's a dissociation of these hydrogen atoms which is very less in proportion. So that's why that all amines are weakly basic in that nature. And this general formula of these amines, all that it is a CN H2N plus 3 into N. This is the general formula of that amines will be there. In the next lecture, we will see the nomenclature of that amines. Thank you.